Hi guys, today we are in MWC2026 now. Today we arrived at Fossibot booth. This brand is mainly focused on Roger's device. Today let's check what's flagship and interesting gadgets to bring to the show. So the first thing that catches my eyes is the Fossibot F116Pro 5G. And this is a 4-inch mini Roger phone with action camera. Then we can find the traditional Roger phone, Fossibot F115Ultra. It supports a laser rangefinder and also thermal image, and also many new devices. So let's check it one by one. And also they have Roger tablet, big battery, Roger phone with thermal image, and also the Roger phone with loudspeaker, big loudspeaker, and camper light. So first, let's check the Fossibot F116Pro. This is a compact 5G capable Roger smartphone designed to double as an action camera. It features a 4.05-inch display with a 1/4-inch screw mount at the bottom of the device. And it features a 50 megapixel main shooter and 48 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens with 152.6 field of view action camera style shoot. This is the most unique and interesting for the device. Also to provide different models for the users to choose. This device is called the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra 4 nanometer processing technology, and those get a 12 GB RAM. Can be extended up to 66 virtual RAM, and also support 256 GB ROM, and also it can expand it to 1 TB via microSD. And also support the physical buttons for the shortcut of the camera, and also the front camera is 2 megapixel. So you can check the sample of the camera, samples of the camera. Actually, for the dedicated camera button, can let you launch the camera instantly. No unlocking, no searching, catch at the moment, a second. So this is very cool. You also turn on the stabilization to reduce the shake and the vibrations. From bumpy ride to handle shooting, enjoy smooth, more watchable footage every time. This time it also includes a standard 1/4-inch universal screw thread at the bottom for direct attachment to film gear. It's compatible with a wide range of mounting accessories. It works seamlessly with suction mount, handheld grips, chest straps, neck mount, and more. Okay, so let's check it. The cameras and also the physical button. Switch from different mode, and the wrist runs smoothly. And this time for this device, the battery is get 3700 mAh capacity with 33 watt fast charging and 10 watt reverse charging support. It also supports IP68 and IP69K rated for water and dust resistance. Due to the small size, it actually can be used as a true everyday carry device. And also, according to the official news, this product will be launched on Kickstarter 2. And next is the Fossibot F118Pro, and this device is not officially released. From the appearance, we find it get a loudspeaker, camper light, also the traditional Roger phone design. So we go to the settings to check more information about the device. Okay, Android 16, 10,000 big battery, octa-core processor, 2.3 GHz maximum. The rear camera is 13 megapixel and front camera 5 megapixel. The ROM is about to 256. The screen play size is 720 by 1612. Okay, so this is the Fossibot F118Pro. Really waiting to see it. Okay, at last, this is the Fossibot F. We can find it supports heat mapping, temperature tracking, night operation. The Fossibot F115Ultra is marked as a tool phone for specific industry like electrical and HVAC, building maintenance, public safety, industrial inspection. So the Fossibot F115Ultra is provided very professional grade sensor designed to recognize the heat signatures that are visible to the naked eyes. So if you like it, you can check the website and let's wait for more gadgets from them.